Hello, my fellow human of the Milky Way galaxy. 7 of you in specific. 7 people watch my videos. 7. That's what you call contentment. Supposed to be content with what you have. If you have $1,000,000 and you want like more, you'll just keep wanting more. You'll have 1 billion, then you'll want more. You'll have 1 trillion, then you'll want more. Contentment is the key. You have to be content with what you have and invest in. If you had like 1,000 subscribers, invest in those 1,000. Like you're investing in your child until you raise the whole vibration of the human race eventually. So I wanted to allow you to peer into one of my experiments. I'm more of a scientist than a Bible teacher or anything like that. I was born a scientist. Daniel was made the head of the astrologers, the prognosticators, the all those different people. He was a scientist. He was more of a scientist than whatever he was. Anyway, this experiment is about light and sound. So now I was questioning, why did God make there's the visible light and then there is the audible sound. The audible sound is like from, let's see, 24 hertz to like 20 something kilohertz around there. And then the visible light is about 430 tetrahertz to 750 tetrahertz. Okay, so terahertz bigger than kilohertz. So I was wondering why did God make them like side to side? Is light more important than sound? Maybe it is, because in the beginning he said, "Let there be light." But that light is not this light. This light is earthly light. The light that was before, this sunlight is not the light that he spoke into existence before. He said, "Let there be light," and then sometime after he created the sun and the moon. So there was light before, and there's going to be light in time to come. It'll be like the shine, like the brightness of 7 suns. That's what the Bible says. So, and it's going to come through the sons of God. Behold, the light is shining on you. Arise and shine, sorry. So I was wondering why are they so different? So I started thinking, because I wrote a book called what? New Day Christianity, in which we have explain the 7 spirits of God. So I started experimenting with the different frequencies and hertz and sounds. And so I'm going to put the Wikipedia thing up here. In high school and uni, they told us not to quote Wikipedia, but we're done with that. So Wikipedia it is. No, now the color red is 430 to 480 tetrahertz. So I'm gonna get the first one. So when I saw 430, I immediately thunk of 432 hertz. Why? Because 432, if you're a mathematician, you know that stuff. 432 is like a special number in all the Pythagoras did something with like strings. But I don't have time to explain that. I don't have time. And they're also like many Tibetan thingies, flutes and stuff that have 432 hertz. It's just a frequency that's very special. Okay, now, so red is 430 to 480 tetrahertz. Now, we can't hear tetrahertz. We can only hear hertz and maybe a few kilohertz. So I said, you know what? I'm going to tone that down to hertz. I'm going to remove the T, scoop, because this is how my experiments go. They're not very reasoning. They don't have a lot of reasoning. They have a lot of intuitiveness. That's what I believe Newton said. Go by your intuition. I don't think he said that. I think he said something like that. Something along those lines. So I said, okay, 432 is divisible by 3. So I said for orange, yellow, I'm gonna get the closest number to the 480 to the 510 to the 540, closest number divisible by 3. Yes? So 432. So I'm gonna play them all for you. And tell me, don't tell me, just observe with me. I'm letting you into my experiment. Observe with me what you feel in your body, in your vibrations. Okay? So, let's go. Now. So personally, I didn't feel anything so special. I just the 432 thing kind of felt nice, but there was nothing much, to be honest. So that's the experiment for you today. So 432 is the base. I've just made these things. Can you imagine? I haven't even proven them. Anyway, whatever. I don't explain many of the experiments. I just do them. And then if it comes out as good, then there we go. Then we can find out the reason why it came out as good later on. I think that's the end of this video. Yeah, okay. Cool. You're welcome. So this is what I do when I'm bored, okay? I experiment stuff. If you come to my house, you can ask my brother. You'll just be hearing do 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 do, because I'm experimenting with sound and frequency and light and all these different things. Because one day it's going to be very important. Anyway, see ya.